guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, my name is Anne Marie and I do all things beauty and anything else I feel like I'm doing at the moment. That is the picture I'm recreating. So yeah, I'm going into my Aina palette and I'm gonna go into Pinker. I'm gonna just list the shades, y'all, because I don't have the palette in front of me. Oh, I can't forget my tape. I always have my tape on deck. I'm gonna get the palettes out now, actually. I always have the tape. That's how I get my sleek edges on my makeup, because period. That's just how I like it. And I'm going with that pink shade. I'm pulling out the palette right now. I'm so sorry, y'all. This is a bit ghetto. Okay, so that shade is Supreme. I went into Supreme, not Pinker. Pinker is that dark ass shade. Yeah. And now I think I'm about to go into Pinker right now, actually. Or was it Big Wig? I'm gonna say Big Wig for the win. Yeah, that looks like Big Wig. Or Pinker, I don't know. It's Big Wig. Okay. I'm just blending that in my crease. Yeah. Oh my god, I'm gonna drop Miss Jackie's palette. Let's get into it. Oh my god. Sorry, y'all. I had to rush to do this damn voiceover. Where are we? Oh, there we are. And now I'm going on my concealers, my LA Girl Pro concealer. You already know I always use that. I don't use no expensive ass concealer because why? Put that on one of my little flat brushes and I'm just carving out my crease. I kind of like to do this like half crease thing. This is kind of what's been working for me, so I'm just gonna continue to do it. God, I hear a noise. Jesus. And I'm going to that pink shade in my 25L palette. I'll put it there. Y'all, I'm getting tight. I want to make noise when I want to film this damn video. I'm trying to woosah. Calm down. What are some other calming practices? Because this is irritating. Packing on that pink shade. I really don't remember what it is, y'all. I'm just packing that shit on. I don't even know what I was singing. Like, girl, yes, you was singing. Yeah, point to yourself. Oh, and I'm going into my... What palette is that? Yo. Oh, that's my Pinky Rose palette, and that's the shade Dreamsicle. Yeah, this is when I stopped recreating that look. I kind of forgot. This is at the point where I realized that I done forgot that I was recreating a look. Hence why I said, you know, putting my own spin on it, because I accidentally did that and put the little orange in there. But I thought it was cute, so I was like, oh, it's cute or whatever. So I just threw that in there. Wasn't exactly coming how I wanted it to, but like, I don't know. It kind of worked. So we can go with it. So yeah, that's Dreamsicle from the the Pinky Rose Cosmetics Bright Lights palette. Yeah. And then I went into the other pink shade, which is Tickle. I feel like Tickle is a glitter, so I'm not gonna... Shit, I forgot what it's called. We go to my Pinky Rose palette to find out what it's called. It is Becky. Becky wanted to go here. That was Becky. The pink shade is Becky. How could I forget Miss Becky? Yeah, TikTok dances. Alright. I might put my hair in a little side swoop again. That's kind of cute. And now I'm going into Pinker and blending that in my crease. This is starting to make a lot more sense now. The color buildup. be making sense when I'm doing shit, you know. And then I realized as I was doing that, I was gonna start to lose that pink shade. So I think I go back in and bring in that little light pink shade from the 25L Morphe palette again. Yeah. Y'all, I had my Spotify going, so whatever was playing had me lit. But if you wanna follow my Spotify, I'll leave the link to my Spotify page below with all my playlists, because I have playlists for like almost everything. I need a sad girl playlist. I'm coming soon, y'all, because I love me some sad girl music. Oh, and I went into my, probably discontinued now, but it was the Moschino, whatever, however you say that expensive ass brand. Oh shit. Sorry, that was a little asthma. I went into the color Angel Wings in the Moschino plus Sephora. Remember that bear collab? I'm gonna put a picture there of the palette. It's cute, whatever. Went into Angel Wings and put that up. Oh, we passed that. LOL, we're onto the face. And y'all not here for the face, so I can skip all of this. Yay! So now you guys can just watch me apply my makeup. Ain't much to talk about. So, yeah. I look a little cakey. Pretty. Oh, girl, that's nasty. I guess I can commentary on it or whatever. Just because we here. I know I look like a cake face monster. I know, like, during the summer, I never really looked for my summer shades. So, like, it's okay. It ends up coming together. Oh, this is where I messed up, y'all. This is exactly where I messed up. I tried to start recreating the look again when I should have just left that shit alone. So now the purple, this looks like I got punched in the eye. Looking at me up and down, looking at my eyes when you say now. I ain't turn around, no drama, little mama. I don't want to take him. And I know I'm coming off just a little bit conceited and I keep on, you know, natural lighting. Kind of feel like pulling up my ring light. But yeah, so this is me ghettoly trying to fix it. As you can see, it doesn't really get fixed. I kind of just can we ignore it? Like, can we just act like we didn't see me mess up my eye? I know, look at me, mad as hell because I just messed up that eye. But I went over back in Angel Wings and tried to fix it. And I went my booty blender and blending and blending, and we just blended. And I'm going on with my Juvia's Place in C10. I should have went lighter. I be thinking I'm mad dark or whatever, thinking I need mad medium shade when I need lighter. So then I went in with my medium beige concealer from LA Pro. Oh, I just tapped on the mic. Asthma. And I just went in with my Eco Tools brush and just blended that out. I feel like this is I feel like I've been doing my makeup forever. Like, I'm trying to hurry up and do this before it gets noisy. Blend, 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 blend. Do y'all just want to hear the background music? Because I could be quiet. Or I can start to sing for you if you want to hear me sing. Yeah, I don't really sing like that, I promise. I'm just capping. I'm just capping, y'all. I'm also a little bit sleep deprived. I'm in pain. You know, girl tangs. And just, I'm going to look crazy right now. I'm off of work. Yeah, we did an earlier shift today. My girl got off at 6. So I got time. And I'm going with my all over face brush. Oh, here's why my under eye look crazy right here. I use my loose powder from Maybelline. Oh my gosh, I'm so behind. I'm sorry. I have a loose powder from Maybelline under my eye and it looked crazy. So I went on my concealer. Oh my gosh, what is it called? Contour. Damn it. No. All over. Oh my gosh, I'm really behind. Okay. All over face powder. If you look at my regular makeup routine, you know exactly what I use. Because I'm tired of trying to go over everything. Then my all over face powder to save it. Same thing what I'm going to do here after the blush. Save it with the all over face powder. Use whatever you use for your all over face powder. If your blush gets too concentrated, like me, looking like a freaking berry, you use your all over face brush, which I'm doing right here, and tone it down. Then I highlight it. You know, I don't really need highlight anymore, but like, it's fun or whatever. This brush is also not really good for highlight. I just needed a thing. And then I just went in back with the colored brush and just kind of brought the color underneath my eye. Carmex. Oh my god, do I have some music here? I feel like I have some music coming up. Yeah, there is music coming up. Oh, and I went in with that brown shade. Any brown shade because I used the Carmex that made it like liquid lip liner. I put on my little nude lipstick. Intermission right here. Period. Alright, and we're back. Like a butt crack. Oh yeah, yo, this is when I realized I dropped my lash. I really like these lashes. I would plug the girl, whatever. But she didn't follow me with her lash page, even though I've been supporting her from jump. I'm not gonna be petty though. But like, I was supporting her and I was trying to be a brand ambassador. But like, if I have to reach out too many times and get left on red, girl, you can keep your brand. I will get noticed by brands, and that's on that. I'm gonna stop being petty and just admire the lashes that I have right now. Because my lashes are fire. Oh, music. Sorry. Do the loop. I love doing that. Love that. Love my transition music. I'm gonna start doing that in all my videos. Y'all like that? Y'all tell me if y'all like that. And yeah, y'all. So this is after I love we was on curly hair. But like one side that was clearly left longer than others. So like my hair's not perfect. We just not gonna talk about it, okay? I love me a little shout swoop. Swoop-dee whoop. Swoop-dee whoop-dee whoop-dee scoop. Y'all remember that VMA commercial from last year with Kanye? I mean, we don't like Kanye, but like whoop-dee scoop-dee whoop. Whoop-dee boop. It looks like music is playing. Did I meant to leave that in there? I don't know what that is. Yes, girl, sang it. And y'all, wait, y'all want to see a magic trick like they be doing on TikTok? But she said, you better wait, boo boo. And wait 1 second, boom, boom, boom. I know my background kind of fell apart. A little crusty, a little dusty, and one side is more curly than the other, and my lash is lifting in the corner, but it's still cute down. It's still cute down. Yeah, she's still cute down. She's still. You see how the makeup came together? You see a little blush, you see a little highlight, you see a little bit of everything. Look at the video. Follow me on Instagram at Emery Season, Twitter too at Emery Season. Period. But yeah, y'all, I hope y'all liking it. Y'all like that? You like the commentary? Cause this is me after work. Lower and oh god, here's the noise. Thank God I'm done. I hope you guys liked it. Like, comment, subscribe. Let me know what you want to see next. I love you. Bye. Oh, thank you for watching. Let's try again. Bye.